Welcome back to my YouTube channel Top Cars TV.
1971 Ford Bronco, part of the iconic first generation, remains one of the most celebrated off-road vehicles in American automotive history. Designed as a direct competitor to the Jeep CJ and International Harvester Scout, the Bronco carved out a legacy of rugged durability and timeless design that still holds strong appeal today. With its classic, boxy styling and go-anywhere attitude, the 71 Bronco was more than just a vehicle, it was a symbol of freedom and adventure. In 1971, Ford was continuing to build on the Bronco's early success. It was offered in three body styles: the wagon, the half-cab pickup, and the open-top roadster, though the roadster was soon phased out. The most popular and practical version was the wagon, featuring a removable hardtop and simple but purposeful interior. The exterior was defined by clean lines, a flat windshield, and short front and rear overhangs, making it highly maneuverable off-road. Under the hood, buyers could choose between two engines. The base model came with a 170 cubic inch, 2.8 liters, Inline-6 that produced 105 horsepower. For those seeking more power, the optional 302 cubic inch, 4.9 liters, V8 engine delivered a solid 205 horsepower and significantly improved performance, especially on rugged terrain. The 3-speed manual transmission was column-shifted, and a Dana 20 transfer case enabled smooth switching between 2WD and 4WD, reinforcing its capability off the pavement. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. One of the standout features of the 1971 Bronco was its solid axle suspension, a coil springs up front and leaf springs in the rear, which gave it a smoother ride compared to other off-roaders of its time. The short 92-inch wheelbase made it nimble in tight spots, while a ground clearance of over 8 inches allowed it to clear rocks and obstacles with ease. Optional features like power steering and dual fuel tanks were available, which added practicality for serious enthusiasts. The rear bumper was basic but functional, often featuring a tow hitch or spare tire mount, and its utilitarian design matched the vehicle's overall no-nonsense appeal. The Bronco's side profile was striking, with flared fenders and minimalist detailing that gave it a rugged, timeless charm. The back of the vehicle offered a swing-out tailgate and ample space for cargo or camping gear, which made it ideal for outdoor adventures. As for pricing, the 1971 Bronco was surprisingly affordable for its capability. The base price started around $2,600, but fully equipped models with the V8, upgraded wheels, and additional options could push closer to $3,500. Adjusted for inflation, this remains a bargain for what would now be considered a collector's gem. Though production numbers were relatively modest, the 1971 Ford Bronco has earned a cult following over the decades. Today, well-preserved or fully restored models command high prices on the collector market. With its raw simplicity, mechanical reliability, and retro-cool aesthetics, the 71 Bronco stands as a proud representative of Ford's early SUV legacy, a vehicle that didn't just promise adventure, but delivered it on every trail.